Hi, this is a short video to show you an easy way to record your presentation. If you have already made recordings and you have a tool that you use like Canva or Camtasia or another kind of video tool, that's completely fine. If you've never, you should use those, whatever you're comfortable and have experience with. If you've never recorded a presentation before, I think that actually the easiest way to do it is doing it through Zoom, so I'm going to kind of walk you through that in this video. So the first thing to do if you do not have a Zoom account is to go ahead and set it up. It's free, so go ahead and set up your account. Then once you've done that, there's a few things you want to make sure you have ready. First, you want to make sure that your slide presentation is, or one of your tabs is open, because what you're going to need to do is share your screen, and you'll want to be able to have to move over to that screen. Once you make sure that your project is all visible, go ahead and log into the account that you just created, and you'll find your profile page here, and we're going to go then to meetings and click on personal room, and then go down here to start. Basically what you're doing is you're starting a meeting, but it's going to look a little bit different for you. If you get this pop-up right here, Open Zoom Meetings, you want to click on that. If you wait about half a minute and it doesn't show up, then you want to click on Launch Meeting. But I'm going to use this tool right here. And what should happen and will happen is that Zoom will open up. So you probably have perhaps been in a Zoom session with in school or maybe with your job. Make sure you join with computer audio, and I'd also like you to okay, my camera's not opening, but we'll just ignore that for now. And sorry, get that over. Okay, so we have the full screen, and what you're going to be doing now is you're going to share your screen, and then you're going to basically do your presentation and be recording it. So if you go to share, and you'll see that this is now on this screen, but go ahead and click on share, and that should show the tabs here, so I can then maneuver over to my research project. And I want to go over to these three dots here, get ready to record it. And you should choose record to this computer, because what you'll do is it will be processed, and you can put it on your desktop or in a file, and then you can upload it. It's going to be as an MP3. You can then upload it into Canvas. So choose that option, and you want to do continue, and now you are recording. So click over to slideshow and just basically begin your presentation. Go through each slide, narrate them just as if you were presenting it in Zoom as before, and that's all you need to do until you get to the end. And then when you're at the end, you can stop sharing. You'll be back to your Zoom screen, and then when you end the meeting up here, you end meeting is going to then convert the recording into an audio file that you can then, like I said, put it on your desktop, and then you can upload it. So I'm going to cancel that, and that's all you need to do. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing all of your presentations. Bye-bye.